Record.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to Mr. Khairul Azhar. Today, my name is Muhammad Irfan and my partner name Hazri Al-Kushairi, Hari Ashad, Muhammad Syafiq Mota, Muhammad Hafiz Kamarul Izham will be present in the second control for the project. Okay, for now, for the project, are given include two tasks. For the task 1, will be explain detail my partner Hari Ashad and Hazi Al-Kushairi, and then for the task 2 will be explained detail by me, Muhammad Irfan, Muhammad Hafiz, Muhammad Syafiq Mota. So for the task 1, I will pass the presentation to my friend Hari Ashad.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Hari Ashad and I will to present the task 1. Okay. As you can see, the task 1 is a control engineer will sent to design control system for a new setup plan. Okay. I will to run the simulation. Okay. First of all, when we run the simulation, the L2 red light is turned on, and then I press the PB1. The timer the timer will be closed after I push PB1. The L1 is not active. The L1 is not active, and V1 and V2 is open. And then after finish the 30 minute, the V2 L1 is turn light up, and also V2 and motor 1. Then I push the PB, the LS2,
LS1.
LS1, sorry. LS1 will run in 10 minutes. Then after the 10 minute, after the 10 minute, V3 is open and liquid will flow out of the tank, and V3 will light up. Then the V2 and motor 1 is closed and not turn light up. Then I push the LS2. When I push the LS2, the connection will restart in the beginning. And also when the level sensor LS2 sense the AP tank, the V3 is closed. As you can see, the V3 is not turned light up. Okay, now I will to pass to my teammate Hazri Al-Kushari. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Hazi Al-Kushairi, and now I will explain detail about task 1. For the task 1, I using a DIFU, differential up, keep instruction, and timer. For the first instruction, when the condition of L2 is initial on. Okay, then after we push PB1, uh, we give a signal to the IFU and pass to keep instruction. And keep instruction, any contactor of keep instruction 100.00 will trigger, which is timer 1 and uh, contactor, any contactor, others any contactor. Okay, we will see after we push the PB1. Okay, the timer we count down. Actually, the timer is 30 seconds, but for the video, I will uh, simplest to the 3 minute only because to set. Okay, and L1 is light up, L2 is light off, and V1 and V2 is like is in L1 and V1 and V2 is like out, like on. After the 30 minute, V1 valve we will off and V2 still open while the motor is running. Okay, when the level sensor S1 is triggered, the diffuse it will give a pulse to differential up to key a pass to keep instruction and give trigger any contactor 101.00, which is to timer 2 and others contactor. Okay, other contactor timer 1 is running 10 minutes actually, and then V3 will open and motor 1 and motor 2 will turn off. After it says empty, which is at S2, it will reset all the system and the V3 will shut off and get back to the initial condition, which is L2 is light up. That's all for me. Thank you. I will give to my partner Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz. Okay, for my part is task 2. As the task given, as an engineer, you need to design a control application for conveyor system as below in figure 2. One unit of DC motor, 34 VDC, will be used as an actuator to move the conveyor. Okay, so design a hardwire relay control circuit and draw equal related diagram referring to condition given as below. When capacitive sensor one detect an object, green lamp will turn on and conveyor will move on in direction from left to the right. Okay, from left to the right when the sensor one activate. And the second one is when capacitive sensor 2 detect an object, conveyor will stop moving. So when sensor 2 activate and the conveyor will stop moving, and green lamp will turn off and yellow lamp will turn on. The yellow lamp will turn off and the system will start again after the product is removed. Add emergency button to the system. Okay, as the task given, here is the circuit. Okay, you run the simulation.
Hafiz,
Yes.
can you add on the emergency button? Uh, Emergency button at 24 volt. Okay,
Where?
create another push button.
Another push button. Where is the over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally close.
Normally close.
Okay. At
Where to put?
to 0 volt.
0 volt.
0.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay. Delete. Okay. Label as emergency button.
Wait.
Never mind.
Emergency button. Okay.
Okay. Run.
Okay, run. Okay. You need to push the sensor 1 first, and the conveyor will start from left to right, and then after the object in front of sensor 2, the green light will off and will turn to yellow light, and it will and after remove the object, and the system will repeat itself again to green light. Okay, and this is for the emergency button, and all the system will shut down. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass it to Shafiq Mota. Thank you.
Wait. Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muta. So today I will present about the hardwire relay circuit. So first of all, we introduce the object. So first is motor, LED green, LED yellow, sensor 1, sensor 2, emergency push button. So when object sensor at the in front of the sensor 1, they will be detect the object and the motor will run and LED green will light up. So the object will move to left to the right. After the sensor 2 sense the object object object, the LED yellow will be light up and motor will not run, and LED green will turn off. After the object will move, the LED yellow will be off, and they are looping for the sensor 1 if another object will sense in sensor 1. So that's all for the wire relay circuit. I will give to my partner, Wan Muhammad Ifan.
Okay, I will continue for the last part, which is PLC. Alright. So this is the diagram for task 2 PLC. The diagram. Okay. Now we will start the simulator. Okay, first of all, when we push, turn on, and then turn off, so the green light and the motor will be running. Then we push sensor 2 will turn on, so the yellow light will turn on, and then when we turn off sensor 2, so it will repeat green light and the motor running back. Okay,
Emergency
so
button.
and then for the lastly, we turn on emergency button and then turn off for stop all the operation during an emergency. This is for safety. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.